If you struggle wrapping side mirrors, then this tip is for you. Day 14 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. This tool right here is gonna help you and make your life much easier. Now that we have it set on here, you wanna make sure it's secured on here. Give yourself more than enough vinyl so that way you don't hit the pillar right here. Pull, and then begin to lock it in. We already have this front part right here locked in with zero tension. Warm this up, push down, lock it in. Start on the side, push down, lock it in. Lock that in. Squeegee this all out. Create a relief cut right here. You can either do a U shape or a straight line. Now you should be able to see where your knifeless tape line is at. The reason why I like this tool so much is just because I don't have to worry about overstretching this vinyl. And it's like an extra hand that you're holding on to just to make sure most of this is locked in instead of trying to pull, and pull. Comment tool below and I'll send you a full list of everything that we have, including this tool. When do you know when it's time to remove the vinyl off of this roof? It's been time. Day 15 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new car wrapping tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. What happened? First off, vinyl is only meant to last for 3 to 5 years. Where it gets direct sunlight, it can actually be about 1 year to 3 years, depending on where you're at. When you see the vinyl cracking, it's been time to take it off. Here's the reasons why this happened. One, they could have used cheap vinyl. The second one is not using the right aftercare products. A ceramic coat, you need that. It's a UV protectant for a reason. The third reason is not washing this car on a regular. Some people will go a month, 2 to 3 months and not even wash the car. If you don't keep this clean, it's gonna fade on you. The last one is just keeping it covered, whether it's in a garage, carport, or car cover. Do it because it's gonna help out tremendously. It's not the installer's fault if you didn't take care of the car after it got wrapped. Get ready for day 16 so I can show you how to do these corners and perfect it. You think you're good at corners? Well, try this technique and prove it. Day 16 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I teach you one new tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. Wrapping these corners, a lot of pain into it. And I see a lot of people have different techniques, but try this technique out. Start off with cutting a tab at this corner, then warm it up. Now you take your thumb and push down at the corner. Now you can take your squeegee, push down in the middle of it, and then work away from it. That simple. Try it out. Tell me what you think. Has it worked for you? Or if it didn't work for you, what techniques did work for you? I know you're probably learning how to wrap on YouTube and you want to learn more on it, but you don't know the right places to go to. Well, guess what? We have classes every other month to teach you how to wrap cars properly and even do stuff like this, because our previous class did this. So I suggest you go ahead and subscribe to our channel, reach out to us, and be sure to sign up for our classes, because these classes get better and better. I look forward to seeing you in our class. If you're cutting and it looks like this, watch the rest of this video. Day 17 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new car wrapping tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. Your tucking and cutting is inconsistent. You already knew that. So let me show you how to fix that. This also goes with day 11's tip that I have. Top, middle, bottom. Now, once we're ready to cut, pull the vinyl out just enough for you to cut it with. So that way it's an even cut. This is the part that most people start to mess it all up. Have your blade at an angle. You don't want it straight. Pull the vinyl out just a little and let it glide through. Seal the edge. Now let's go in closer. If you like this tip, tag me in your results so I can post it on my stories. I'm gonna just jump straight to it. Day 18 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new car wrapping tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. Relief cuts. There's only 2 types. But you gotta know which one you're using because you may start showing the existing paint. You don't want that. So let's show you. There's two different types of relief cuts. One is a straight line. The other one is a U shape. With the straight line, as soon as you pull, it immediately tears and rips. But if we pull this relief cut, it doesn't rip, tear, it just stretches a little bit, but there's nothing ripping on this. Keep pulling right here, look at it, it just keeps ripping. If you need to still pull the vinyl, do not cut a straight line. It's that simple. And day 19 is my most favorite tip just because everyone who wraps has dealt with this problem. This may be the most controversial tip that I ever provide. Day 19 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new car wrapping tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. When you're dealing with this area right here, stop trying to squeegee up. Every time you see this right here, you're gonna crease it. You squeegee up, you're gonna crease it. Let me show you how to fix it. As we're working on this area, you don't need a squeegee in this. Now we're gonna warm up the vinyl. Start at the bottom, and with one finger, just push it all the way through. Take your time. No glue lines, no creases. This is great for beginners. Come and join our class so we can teach you more tips and tricks just like this. And day 20, ain't nothing funny about day 20.